Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today topics Introduction for Harnessing Generative AI, Transforming Daily Operation for Hospitality Engineer. This course will show you how cutting-edge AI can enhance your work, simplify complex tasks, and bring innovation to your hotel's engineering operation. Let's start with introduction. Imagine a world where maintenance logs write themselves, safety checks are smarter, and guest issues are handled faster, all thanks to generative AI. In hotel engineering and facility management, AI is now your silent, tireless partner, improving accuracy, speeding up reporting, and reducing manual errors. Through AI-driven tools, you can automate documentation, streamline communications, and implement intelligent workflows to run daily operations like never before. Why generative AI matters today? Generative AI is revolutionizing every industry, and hospitality is no more exception. From generative images to writing code or music, this AI system now support engineers in automating reports, enhancing systems, and even improving the guest experience. The result: faster operation, smarter insights, and happier guests. Let's see course overview objective. By the end of this course, you will understand the fundamentals of AI and generative models. Learn hands-on tools like ChatGPT, GitHub, Copilot, Gemini, and more. Gain the skills to automate documentation, maintenance, and communication tasks, and learn how to use AI ethically and responsibly in hospitality settings. Foundation of AI for engineers. Let's start with basics. What exactly is AI? You will learn about narrow AI, generative AI, and machine learning, and how these technologies learn and evolve. This foundation will help you understand the logic behind the automation and how to implement it in your hotel's daily engineering workflow. Understanding generative AI. Next, we divide deeper into generative AI. You will explore how tools like ChatGPT and DALL generate the new text, images, and even technical diagrams. These systems are smart enough to understand your prompts, adapt to hotel industry needs, and provide refined contextual responses. AI tools you will learn here. We will guide you through industry-leading tools, ChatGPT for smoother communication, SOP generation, and report summaries. GitHub Copilot for scripting and automations. Gemini and DALL-E for creating visual content, layout, and reports. These tools are powerful companion in your engineering toolkit. Prompt engineering for hotel tasks. Ever wished you could write a maintenance log in a second or create an inspection checklist automatically? Through prompt engineering, you will learn how to command AI to write smart, accurate, and timely content. From guest feedback report to daily logs, just by giving it a simple instruction. Automating hotel office operations. AI is your productivity booster. Discover how to generate daily reports and meeting notes instantly. Draft polished emails and circular with convert basic instruction into professional SOP, all within minutes. You will spend less time typing and more time solving real world engineering challenges in your plant room. AI in hotel educations and training. Training becomes smarts with AI. You will learn to create custom models based on hotel systems, auto-generate quiz for staff, and even produce the video content for SOPs. With AI, continuous learning become part of your team's everyday workflow. AI in guest experience and marketing. AI does not just work behind the scenes. It elevates the guest experience too. From sending personalized message to automating your hotel social media and generating tailored marketing content. AI makes every interaction smarter and more engaging. AI in hotel design, creativity, and innovations. Unleash your creativity potential. Design smart room layout, simulate energy systems, and visualize safety responses, all with the help of AI. Create VR walkthroughs or immersive videos for guest or training. AI become your design co-pilot. Ethical use of AI in hospitality. With great power comes great responsibility. This course will teach you to respect guest privacy and data, ensure transparency and fairness in AI tools, craft ethical prompts, and use AI responsibly. Trust is the foundation of hospitality, and responsible AI use protects it. What you will achieve here by the end of this course, you will confidently use AI to handle daily engineering tasks, automate time consuming process and minimize errors, make better decisions around safety, training and guest service. You will be ready for AI powered hospitality industries of the future. Thank you for watching. If you are really interested to learn this AI power for hospitality engineering, please register in our LMS portal. Join here. I will take you through the complete course. Let's meet in the LMS portal in our course. I'm going to start soon. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Those interested only, please join. Thank you.